In this video, everything you need to know how to replace hydraulic oil filter on your favorite Kubota skid steer loader. Yes, we're working on SSV75 model. Yeah, change interval, part numbers, everything. Yeah, pretty much you need to know will be in this video. Without further ado, let's get started. As a replacement part, I'm going to use OEM Kubota filter. Here's a part number. I will put information down in the description below under the video. Here we go. This box. I got this filter from the local Kubota dealer. Hydraulic oil filter is located on the right side over there, as you can see, just next to the engine block. This model equipped with the Kubota 3307 diesel. Guys, if you have any comments, questions, critiques, suggestions, put everything down in the comment section below. Okay, let's take a look on a service diagram. Beautiful idea. Kubota just put that sticker on the side of the machine, and number 6 is our hydraulic oil filter. Let's locate where it is. As you can see, where it's exactly is located, and let's follow the line, and we have to change this filter every 500 hours. Genius. Yes, that's a manufacturer recommendation. Well, for us it's a time to replace that filter. Okay, here's a filter. Before removing the filter, I always like to clean all the debris, dirt, dust, whatever road grind is built up around the filter. We're going to service. Make sure nothing will get inside the hydraulic system. Keep it clean. Okay, here's a replacing hydraulic filter manual, and yeah, all this detail information. We're replacing a hydraulic inline filter. Yeah, and yeah, it's very straightforward. I'll show you how I do it, and this video is only for demonstration what works for me, and always refer to your service repair manual. All right, you won't make much mess. I'm going to put a spill pad under the filter because hydraulic oil will leak a little bit, and we want to avoid that. Guys, if you first time to the channel, click that subscribe button. Appreciated that. All right, I have my catch can, just old antifreeze container. Cut it in half like so, and this simple container will help us to collect all hydraulic oil. Pipe pliers or any filter removal tool of your choice. I like the pliers, they work great. Guys, if this video is helpful, informational, interesting to watch, educational, put a thumbs up. Appreciated that. Okay, our idea to break it loose, and then we can take it off completely. I also have few more videos how to do basic service maintenance on Kubota, Bobcat, skid steers, excavators. Yeah, if it's helpful, I will put the links down in the description below. And before doing the filter, I also did an oil change on this skid steer, put a new engine air filter. Yeah, filters, they're cheap, and replacing them regularly will make your machine last longer, and you will have those happy hours. Okay, as you can see, there's quite a bit of threads to take it. Yeah, here we go, and we have all that hydraulic oil dripping straight in our container. Let's pull the filter out completely. We don't need this filter anymore. Thank you for filtrating oil for us. Now time for the new one. Here we go. Nice and clean. As you can see, it's dripping a little bit. We'll collect whatever oil is there. Yeah, taking it out, and we have our spill pad. Spill pad is absorbing all that oil. Yeah, pretty nice. yeah, keep it all clean, and you don't need to clean up the mess after the work. Nothing takes longer than same job you have to do twice. That way we are trying to do our best quality work the first time. Okay, here's the information. We'll put in a little bit of hydraulic oil on the o-ring, and as soon as the o-ring touches the base of the filter housing, we're going to turn it 3/4 one turn, and yeah, perfect. Let's install the filter. Main thing, make sure your old rubber o-ring didn't stuck to the housing, and my camera was off when I was recording the clip that you have to wipe with the oil filter adapter housing and it's all clean. Make sure you don't have any debris. That way that the rubber o-ring will provide a good seal. It won't leak any hydraulic oil. Okay, it's touching the base. Now I'm going to turn it, and yeah, you don't have to go too crazy. And main thing, we're not using any tools. It will damage the filter and restrict the flow, and also might puncture the can. Okay, that's good enough. Perfect. As you can see, a new filter is installed, good for another 500 hours. All right. Yeah, I like to put hours when exactly I change the filter. 1926 hours, and it helps me to track all my service, repair, maintenance work, and also put in the day, month, and a year when service was done. That way I don't have to search through the logbooks and find out when it was changed. And every time I open the hood to check the fluids, do the visual inspection, I know exactly when it was changed. Here we go. Engine oil change cart will be over there. Yes, everything in details, how to do an oil change on your Kubota. I remember from school when teacher was saying engines are expensive, oil is cheap. Change your oil and the filter regularly, it will save you a buck. Yeah, here we go. There's a filter we replaced, and well, check for leaks and make sure there's none. Check your hydraulic oil level, top it up as necessary. As you can see, there's a tubing and you can see the level. Yes, very simple, very straightforward, and over there where you put a hydraulic oil. Thank you so much guys again for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.